We can summarize the rate laws into a series of formulas, and have a look at this. We've got zeroth order, first order, and second order situations. Here's the rate law. It's just simply equal to k times the concentration of a to the first power. Since concentration of a to the zeroth power is simply 1, that's why the rate is simply k. And here it's a to the first power, and there it's a to the second power. Right? Oftentimes there's more than one reactant, so the rate law looks a little bit larger than that. This is just assuming there's only one reactant. I suppose that's really a decomposition reaction. When we integrate it, we get these formulas, which are useful for determining rate constants and other things. The plot needed to get a straight line is something you should definitely know. Concentration versus time is linear. That's zeroth order. The natural log of it is first order. 1 over the concentration is second order. The slope in every case is equal to the rate constant. And the half-life varies for each one, and it's best just to memorize those three. And if you take a look at what the units are, this is nice to know. I would memorize this too. Molars per second for zeroth order, 1 over time for first order, and 1 over molar versus molar times time for second order. You could confirm that if you plug K in with the units here, and concentration being molarity, you'll get time in seconds for each one of these. Okay, now any aspiring AP student should ask themselves, oh my God, do I really have to memorize all this? Well, I took a look at the green sheet. And in fact, it's best to memorize just about all of it, because this is all that currently you're given for kinetics. These three little formulas. And here's where they correlate. Here's this one rearranged. Here's this one rearranged. Here's this one. They don't even say if it's for first order, second order. They just say rate constant T and half-life. They're pretty much saying you better memorize all this. I'd do it by column and make sure you know these. Okay, that's a summary of the rate laws.